Namaste, this is Vikas from Ekno Travels from Dharamshala, India. Today I'm making a small video of my hometown Dharamshala. We start our tour from Dharamshala airport. We have small beautiful airport in Dharamshala, and we have a direct flight from Delhi to Dharamshala. So our company representative go to pick you up from Dharamshala airport and drive with you with the pre-arranged taxis to your hotels. Drive itself, it's a very scenic drive from airport to the your hotel. It's around 30 minutes drive, and it's you're driving from valley to towards mountain, and you check in your hotel. So we actual tour starts from the next morning after breakfast, and we drive to the highest village of this area called Nadi village, which has a very beautiful mountain view. And Nadi village is my village where I live and born and brought up. I still live with my family here. And so Nadi has a view of a Dhauladhar mountain range. The Dhauladhar is a very first range of Himalaya, so which you can clearly see all the snow-covered peaks. And the village, it's a nomadic village, and which is established by the native community of this area called Gadis. Gadis are our main natives this region, and they are like semi-nomads. So the male members of family goes with the sheep all the way to the Tibet border in the summer, and in the winters they go on all the way to the plains of Punjab. So they keep traveling with the sheep, and the other members of family stays at home. So that's why we call semi-nomads. And in Nadi village we give you a small village walk also, a kind of village tour. So we visit to a local family, a Gadi family, and have a tea with them, or if time allows we have also lunch with them. So during the walk of the village you meet different people of community, and you can talk to them. People are very welcoming here. You can take pictures and see different people doing their different jobs in the fields and farms, working with their cattle and sheep. We also visit to TCV, Tibetan Children's Village, which is a school for Tibetan refugee community lives in Dharamshala, and it's run by a sister of Dalai Lama. And we visit to TCV, and we'll take a little tour of the school and meet the kids of Tibetan refugee community lives here. And after that we visit to St. John Church in Wilderness. This is a beautiful Anglican church in the mid of forest with surrounded by tall cedar pine trees, and it's built by British government in India in 1852. We can go have a look inside. It's a beautiful church with a slate roof and stained glass window inside, and it's a very, very beautiful Scottish designed church. And after that we go to McLeodganj. McLeodganj is a kind of suburb of Dharamshala, as it's a little tourist town, which is a beautiful market, handicraft and woolen markets, jewelries, and also cafes and restaurants around it. And the main attraction of the McLeodganj is the monastery of Dalai Lama, or the residence of His Holiness Dalai Lama. So in 1960 His Holiness Dalai Lama took a shelter in India, and he's decided to make Dharamshala as his home. Since 1960 he is living in Dharamshala, and he built quite a few monasteries and temples around. So main attraction is we call Dalai Lama temple. We visit to Dalai Lama temple, which is called, actual name is Namgyal monastery. And after that, the visiting Dalai Lama temple, we keep our journey towards down the valley, and we visit the tea gardens of Kangra Valley. This whole region is called Kangra district, so that's why we call it Kangra Valley also. So this tea gardens, and the local tea calls Kangra tea also. So we visit the gardens, and we find out the different tea, and then we can explain you a little about the local tea, how different seasons of teas, and you might see some ladies picking up the tea with a basket on their back. And if time allows, we will make a small visit to a local tea factory, where you can see the tea production, how the tea being produced from the gardens to factory and right to home. So after visiting a tea factory, we go to the beautiful Norblinka Institute. Norblinka Institute is a institute made by Tibetan community to preserve their Tibetan traditional art called Thangka art. Thangka is a Tibetan traditional art which they make the images of the deities, the Buddhist deities, and also they either it could be a painting or statue or wood carving or applique work on the fabric. So, and that's how they can preserve their art also. And there's a beautiful temple inside the Novelinka Institute. We visit the temple also, and and there's a beautiful garden cafe in the Novelinka Institute. Uh, if you wish to, you can have a lunch there, or you can have a coffee. And then after the tour, we suggest you some the good restaurants to have your dinner, and that's the kind of end of our tour in Dharamshala. Thank you very much.